All right, fellas. I see a lot of the TTS. It's really far away, and I can't thank you all right now, but I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the bits and the resubs and stuff. Hey, thanks for funding funding the PS5 in some way, you know what I mean? But anyways, we have acquired the PS5, and we have acquired Demon Souls. So last night, I went over to my girlfriend's place, and her brother picked up a pre-order under his name at a place in Canada called Shoppers Drug Mart. And low-key, we thought there'd be a huge lineup, because who the hell thinks about picking up a gaming console at like a pharmacy? Yeah, Shoppers, right? The place opens up at 8 a.m. We lined up at 7 a.m. We see 3 gamers hanging out outside, and we're like, 3 people? Let's not line up. So we just sat, like, we got some McDonald's, you know, got some breakfast, got a coffee. We just sat in the car and waited. We're like, all right, if there's more than like 5 or 6 or 7 people, then we'll get out of the car. So we're just chilling. But then at like 7:45, we saw people walking out with like these bad boys, and we're like, oh shit, let's go. Went in, 5 minutes in and out, and here we are. Then I had to go to Walmart to pick up the games. So then we went there, and we asked the lady there, and she's like, she has like a box of like 20 Spider-Man Miles Morales, a box of the Demon Souls. She's like stocking them, and we're like, yo, do we get one of those? And she's like, yeah. And now we have acquired everything we need to acquire. So PS5, let's do the unboxing now. On the box, it says 8K, 4K, 120 FPS, HDR. In the back, this is the physical copy. So if you guys don't know, the PS5 has 2 versions. There's one where it's straight digital. This one's the more expensive one, where it has a physical CD compartment. So you can buy physical CDs like this and insert them. I think there's something better or more cool about having physical copies instead of having a strictly digital one. But this is $100 more to get the physical CD slot versus straight digital. But this is what the box looks like. Very nice. Total came up to about $713 after Canadian taxes for this one. This game, $89.99 plus tax, $100 for a freaking video game now. Gone are the days where you could buy AAA games for like $60. $100 to buy a game. Yes, $89.99 Canadian, plus 13% sales tax here. $100 for a game. Anyways, get the knife, slice it open. First thing you're gonna see when we open like this. Wait, I gotta do it this way. Like this. Bro, this thing is actually probably 20 pounds, 30 pounds. It's very heavy. Apparently this one's way heavier than the digital only version, obviously. Open it here. We do this. Oh shit. I don't think I'm opening this correctly. Ah! Okay, so the first thing you're gonna get is this compartment, which looks like, obviously, power cable. Oh shit! Let me turn the microphone here. Brand new PS5 controller. Look at that crispy stream quality. Look at this camera. Haptic sensors. So apparently, you know, if you pull like a bow and arrow in a game, there's gonna be tension on the triggers to give it like a real sense. It just immerses you a bit more, you know what I'm saying? Thumbsticks, looking good. Looking clean right here. Clean, very clean, Sony. All right, that's the controller. Looks like the second thing in here. Instructions. We don't need that shit. The heck is this? We got ourselves, is this DisplayPort or HDMI? I don't even know. I think this is HDMI still. How the hell are you gonna get that many hertz with HDMI? I think it has to be DisplayPort maybe, I don't know. I'm a noob at this stuff. And the next thing we open here, oh, it's HDMI 2.1, oh, I didn't know that. The next thing we get here, we open this bad boy. is this, which looks like the stand if you want to play it horizontal. If you had a PS4 or PS5, would you lay it down horizontal, or are you a vertical kind of console gamer? No matter what console you own. Personally, for me, I actually ran my PS4 vertical because I had a stand for it, but I don't know which one to do. We'll see though. But anyways, this looks like the stand. Controller, boom. Got our accessories. Next thing we got, here it is. God damn, this thing is big. Nothing else in the box. Got ourselves some packaging. And over here, the grand reveal. Do a drop test? Hell no. Unwrap it. And here is your new router. Ta-da! Wait, that's the back. This is the front. This is the physical CD copy. Boom.
This thing looks like Genji
Boom.
Nico's newborn.
Boom. Look at all your ports. Come on, focus. Okay, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, and this is it. Very clean. Looks very nice. This thing is actually not an engravement. It's actually cut out for the emblem. Can you see that? Wait. It's a cutout for the PS symbol. Very nice. It's a cutout. Yes, yes. Ports looks like two USBs. Two USB, one LAN, or yeah, one Ethernet cable, HDMI 2.1, and power. Oh, you can see it now. It's in focus. Poggers. So that's it. Two USB ports. Looks like there's no, there is a USB port in the front. Looks like we've got this USB port. This is the micro USB. And then on the bottom side, I can't see it, the reflection. There's the eject button for the CD and the power button right below it. That's it. Pretty clean. Now, how do you put this on the stand? Let's find out. How the heck does this thing work? Which way is down? I think it looks like it's supposed to go like this. That doesn't look right. So apparently this thing is a little wobbly. Oh. Something like that. Boom. Ta-da! Oh! Do you hear that? That's not good. Anyways, that is the PlayStation 5. I gotta do a thumbnail. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Pick whatever one's good.